Hey guys, Steve from Innovate Moreton Bay. Today we're at the first LEGO League State Championships at Grace Lutheran College, Rothwell campus. Peter from Grace Lutheran and also First LEGO League. Mate, love the costume, loving the feel.
Thank you, yes.
Can you give us a bit of an overview for today, what's going on? I know it's quite large, even outside there's food trucks and you know, you got the judging going on.
We're very lucky here at the college. We've worked hard and we've been able to secure the rights to run the state championship event for First LEGO League. What that means is we were the first school in Australia ever to be able to host an event of this nature. They're usually hosted by universities, but we were asked by First about 5 years ago to run an event. It's actually became Australia's largest event very, very quickly. And then once the event grew to this stage where we needed to expand it to more and more locations, we needed a championship venue. And we were chosen over the likes of QUT The Cube and some pretty prestigious sort of institutions by Macquarie University to run the state event.
Yeah, mate, that's awesome. How many schools are competing today?
There'll be 40 schools here from Townsville down to Ballina, and approximately 300 students and around about the same amount of adults.
Yeah, nice. And can you give us a bit of an overview of the problem-based solving or the projects that some of these guys are?
So yeah, if you can see behind me there, they're running a robot game, and they've got 2.5 minutes to complete a series of Lego-based missions and problems. Like it might be lifting something up, moving something, dragging something away, or whacking something to make an action work. That game goes for 2.5 minutes, and they get 3 goes today to try and get their highest score. But on top of that, they're also judged on their robot design as a physical element. They also have to do a project presentation based on this year's theme, which is Into Orbit, which is all about space travel. And they also are judged on their core values, which is teamwork, what we call gracious professionalism, and inspiration. So the first LEGO League event is a worldwide event. There's around about 200,000 students that are involved in it every year across the world, and around about 1,000 teams in Australia. And what you're seeing here are the top 20% of the 200 teams that we have in Queensland.
Yeah, mate, well done. This is a great event. And also the sponsors that are involved. There's some pretty high calibre sponsors.
Absolutely. You're looking at Macquarie University, LEGO Education, Ford Australia, Google, Bechtel. We have 5 volunteers from Boeing here today who are acting as judges. Yeah. So again, it's a very high level corporate event. In 2 weeks' time, the top cream of the teams from here will go to Sydney for the final at Macquarie University, and then we'll move on to Houston in the USA next April for the World Championships.
Mate, exciting. Lego has certainly changed. I kind of want to go home and play with my kids' Lego for a little bit now, see what we can do. Even the trophies made out of Lego, it's awesome. Yeah. Mate, is there, if anyone wants to get in contact or find out more about the first LEGO League, how do they go about that?
The best thing to do would be probably to jump on the First Australia website, which is www.firstaustralia.org.au, or if you wish to call the college on the college reception via the number on our website, which is www.glc.qld.edu.au, and speak to me in this region, I'll be able to point you in the right direction as how you can get a team started for 2019.
Yeah, beautiful. And I suppose in the meantime as well, you've also run little boot camps on school holidays.
We do. We run school holiday camps, we run camps for children that come from China, just specifically to do our Lego program. So yeah, people can get involved in that too.
Keep up the great work, and thank you very much for the opportunity of being here today. And
thanks, Steve. And all the work of Innovate Moreton Bay too. Keep it up. You're doing a great job.
Cheers, buddy.
First LEGO League is...